Mouse Showdown, Logitech vs. Razer. Title: Mouse Showdown, Logitech vs. Razer. Introduction. When it comes to PC gaming, having the right tools can make a significant difference in both performance and enjoyment. One such tool that plays a crucial role in gaming is the mouse. The market is flooded with options, but two brands stand out among the crowd: Logitech and Razer. The debate on which manufacturer produces the superior gaming mouse, Logitech or Razer, has been ongoing for years. In this article, we will break down the key features, design, and performance of both brands to help you make an informed decision. Logitech Gaming Mice. Logitech has long been a trusted name in the world of computer peripherals. With a focus on ergonomics and precision, Logitech gaming mice offer a range of options to cater to different play styles and preferences. Their mice are designed with gamers in mind, ensuring comfort for prolonged use. Some of the key features of Logitech gaming mice include: 1. P sensitivity and performance. Logitech mice provide high p dots per inch sensitivity, allowing for smooth and precise cursor movements. With adjustable p settings, gamers can customize sensitivity levels to suit their gaming style. 2. Buttons and customization. Logitech gaming mice often come with programmable buttons. This feature allows gamers to assign different functions or macros to these buttons, enhancing gameplay FSI. NC. Logitech software. Logitech G Hub enables users to customize and fine-tune their mouse settings to suit individual preferences. 3. Build quality and durability. Logitech gaming mice are known for their solid build quality and durability. The materials used in their construction ensure long-lasting performance. Logitech Focus on ergonomic designs, which can reduce strain during extended gaming sessions. Razer gaming mice. Razer, a company specializing in gaming peripherals, has a strong presence in the gaming community. Known for their cutting-edge technology and unique designs, Razer gaming mice are favored by many professional gamers around the world. Here are some key features of Razer gaming mice. 1. Optical and laser sensors. Razer gaming mice often incorporate high-precision optical or laser sensors. These sensors offer exceptional tracking accuracy, which is crucial for smooth cursor movement. NTS and precise aiming in fast-paced games. 2. Chroma RGB lighting. Razer gaming mice feature Chroma RGB lighting, allowing users to personalize their gaming setup. This feature adds an aesthetic touch to the mouse and can be synchronized with other Razer peripherals for a unified lighting experience. 3. Customizable scroll wheel resistance. One standout feature of Razer gaming mice is their adjustable scroll wheel resistance. This allows users to select between a smooth scrolling experience or a more tactile feedback while scrolling through game inventories or web pages. Comparing Logitech and Razer. When comparing the two brands, it's important to note that personal preference and gaming needs play a significant role in the decision-making process. However, we can highlight some key differences between Logitech and Razer gaming mice. 1. Design aesthetics. Razer mice often have a bold and aggressive design, while Logitech tends to focus on functional and ergonomic designs. The choice between the two depends on individual taste and the desired aesthetic for your gaming setup. 2. Software integration. Both Logitech and Razer offer companion software for their gaming mice. Logitech's G-Hub software allows for easy customization, while Razer's Synapse software offers advanced customization options, including synchronized lighting effects across multiple devices. 3. Price range. Logitech gaming mice typically offer budget-friendly options without compromising on performance. Razer, on the other hand, tends to be slightly more expensive due to the brand's focus on premium features and aesthetics. Logitech and Razer continue to innovate and release new models, each improving upon the strengths of their previous offerings. Logitech's recent releases include the Logitech G Pro Wireless, which has gained popularity for its lightweight design and high-performance Hero sensor. Razer, on the other hand, has introduced the Razer Viper Ultimate, a wireless gaming mouse that boasts a 20,000 VSA sensor for unparalleled precision. Another aspect to consider is the availability of wired and wireless options. Both Logitech and Razer offer a range of wired and wireless gaming mice, catering to different preferences. Wireless mice provide the freedom of movement without the hassles of cables, while wired mice often offer lower latency and more reliable connections. It's also worth mentioning that both Logitech and Razer have a strong presence in the esports scene. Many professional gamers swear by their mice, using them to compete in some of the most intense gaming tournaments around the world. This serves as a testament to the performance and reliability of both brands' gaming mice. Logitech and Razer are two renowned companies in the gaming industry known for their high-quality gaming mice. These brands offer a wide range of options, each with its own unique features and advantages. When trying to decide between Logitech and Razer, it's important to consider factors such as design aesthetics, software integration, and price range. Firstly, let's discuss the design aesthetics of Logitech and Razer gaming mice. Razer tends to have a more bold and aggressive design, often incorporating eye-catching RGB lighting. On the other hand, Logitech focuses on functional and ergonomic designs, prioritizing comfort during long gaming sessions. The choice between the two depends on individual taste and the desired aesthetic for your gaming setup. Secondly, both Logitech and Razer offer companion software for their gaming mice. Logitech provides the G-Hub software, which allows for easy customization of mouse settings. Razer offers the Synapse software, which not only allows customization but also features advanced options such as synchronized lighting effects across multiple devices. Depending on your desire for customization options, you can decide which software suits your needs better. Price range is another important consideration. Logitech gaming mice typically offer budget-friendly options without compromising on performance. Razer, on the other hand, tends to be slightly more